kayak and go have a little fun on Sebago Lake. That's going to be today's adventure. Okay, well, here we are. We're out in this little stream near Jordan Bay, and it's very quiet. Well, except for the cars on the road, but it's very lovely, and we're just kind of gently paddling up this little stream and see where it goes. It's only $29 for a half day, and you can get a kayak or a paddleboard. And here we are in the wilds of Raymond, Maine. It's very, very, very dangerous. Oh my God, look, it's a duck. It's very shy. It's not going to let us get too close. And we shouldn't, because you just never know what the duck is going to do. Oh, we went up and down the stream, and now we're about to navigate ourselves under Route 302. The other side of 302, then you have to paddle through a marina and hope the big boats see ya.